Okay, so when I first walked in, this is the first thing I saw, and I've never seen something like this.
And this thing is beautiful, isn't it?
It is.
This is Big Chill. They're owned by a company called Blue Star, which is one of the ultra premium high-end brands in the Pro Style ranges and other types of cooking products. But this one has a whole lot more character. And I don't normally talk a lot about price. The price on this thing comes in a third or less than competing products to this. This thing is a value. It is beautiful. It is my personal favorite in terms of styling and the looks. And it's got a fantastic performance to go with it because it is everything that a Blue Star is, this is as well.
What's the best thing to cook on this?
Anything you're going to cook in your kitchen, there's nothing this thing can't do.
So a good all-arounder.
A good all-arounder.
All right, you heard it. I would call this an ice box, and I feel pretty cool saying that.
It is an ice box. What's wrong with you?
I don't know.
This is the Big Chill refrigerator. And you're right. This thing looks like ice boxes that came from the 1920s and 30s. It's amazing what they've done. The Big Chill products come in a variety of colors. You can get multiple finishes on the handles and the hinges on their whole product line. But their whole line just complements each other and looks fantastic.
Yeah, it matches the range, doesn't it?
It does.
Okay, so we've taken it out of the fridge, we've cooked it, and now we have to...
Got to clean it.
You got to clean it.
And Big Chill has the right product for you for that as well. As you can see, there's a continuing theme here with that retro, beautiful look. Sexy, yes. And it's got multiple colors, as you can see, another example here. This dishwasher, if they charged for it by the pound, it would be the most expensive dishwasher I am aware of today.
So heavy equals quality.
It equals quality.
Okay.